there ain't no stopping us. Fly without boarding pass.
Yeah, hi guys, welcome to my channel. Saptarshi at this side. So recently Mattel Hotwheels had launched the neon speed riders in India, and like a lot of sellers, especially in Mumbai and Pune, have received the whole lot itself. So they're apparently selling as a box or else as a set. Now in a box around 10 pieces will be coming. I'll show you the box, how it looks like actually, what's the code. So 1 minute, yeah, so this is the code for the Hot Wheels Neon Speed Rider, and as you can see, each piece is of 299 MRP. Now in a set there are 8 models and 2 models are extra. So this one has a duplicate, the Mazda RX-7 and the Porsche 934. So these two comes as an extra. I'll show you guys the whole set itself, it will be better. So this is one model, this is one. Now this is the Lancer Evo. Then this one is BMW, made of year is 2002. So this one is the heaviest out of the lot. It's having a metal base. The chassis details are too good in this one. And yes, this is the 4th one. This is the 5th. It's the Camaro. Then Toyota Corolla. Then this one, Honda Prelude. And the last one being the Datsun Fairlady, made of year 2000. This one's cute. Okay, so as you can see, these two are actually the extra ones. So obviously you can split with your friends if possible, and all of them have an MRP, as you can see over here, mentioned as 299. Same goes for this one also. This one has MRP 299. So each of them has an MRP 299. I would suggest not to pay to any scalpers. Don't give in to scalper pricing. It should be easily available in the market after maybe a week or so, because currently what's happening is the distributors themselves are holding in stocks. You might have seen the BMW stock which has recently come in, and it's not available anywhere in the market. That's because the distributors themselves are forcing the shopkeepers to purchase at least 10 to 15 boxes of pop culture sets. Then only they will be allotting 2 to 3 boxes of BMW set. That's really surprising, and it's unfortunate that this has come down. It has stooped so low. Now let's individually understand how are the builds of this particular models. Let's start with the Mazda. So you can see it's plastic base, but it has a chassis details. It being a silver line, I believe it's like a semi-premium kind of thing. So it won't have rubber tires and all, it won't have a metal base, but obviously the blister is strong. The car details, obviously it looks good, and previously I had purchased Neon Speed Riders, the imported ones, of around 550 to 700 like that. And yes, those were the imported ones. Now back of the card you see all these models. So these are the models which are there. Total 8 models are there in a particular set, and in a box there are 10 models. So the Mazda and the Porsche is the extra ones. So let's look at the front. You have the decal of Sparco, I believe. Then you have the decal of Mazda. The tail lights are obviously painted. You have the spoiler, it looks good. Let's zoom in. Okay, so over here you have the silencer. Over here you have the tail lights. The license plate is missing. Okay, now the tail light was also painted, the headlight is also painted. The front looks a little bit ugly, little bit disappointing to be honest. The headlight details over here you can see. Then from the top it looks like this. You have the fenders over here. You have the door knob. At the bottom, okay, I think you guys can see clearly. So this is the chassis details. All right, now let's move to the next one. So this is the Datsun Fairlady. I generally collect Datsun from Kaido House. It really looks good. If you compare this one with a Kaido House, it's an hell and heaven difference. Kaido House in India costs around 2000 or 1900 or 1800 depending on the model, but MRP is like 1999. But over here, this is what you get for 299. This looks cute apart from the orange seats. That looks very ugly, to be honest, man. The seats are too ugly, but the color is cute. So over here you have the tail lights, you have Datsun decal mentioned over here. What are these decals? Let's see. Okay, so it's mentioned as Fairlady, then the year 2000. Over here I think it's Goodyear mentioned. I think over here is Bell. This is how the front looks like. Again, a painted headlight. And from the top it looks like this. Alright, now let's look at the bottom part. So over here you see all the details, the licensing details and everything. Again, it is a plastic base with the chassis details although. And I think there is a silencer somewhere mentioned. No, this one doesn't have a silencer details. Alright, but this is how the base looks like. Okay, let's move to the next one. So this is the Honda Prelude. You have the G-Ready tag over here, Hot Wheels decal. I'm not sure what 8 means. I think it might be related to the real life car. The roof over here is good. Okay, so you have the Honda decal over here. Let's zoom in. So you can see Prelude mentioned. I'm not sure what it's this. I can't see actually. It's too small. Okay, so this one I think it has a headlight. Okay, no, this is also painted, I believe. Mostly this is also painted headlight, but you have a little bit of an impression of an headlight at least. You have the Honda logo over here. The rooftop, like the sunroof, is here. Let's go to the bottom. Okay, so the bottom has Honda Prelude mentioned, the year 98 model, and you have the Hot Wheels logo with the silencer and the chassis. This one's good. You can obviously go for it. It has a rear view, side view mirror also. I think the other two didn't have the side view mirror. Yes, the Mazda and the Datsun Fairlady didn't have the side view mirror. This one has a side view mirror obviously. Alright, okay. So this is the Toyota Corolla. You have the Bridgestone decal over here, Hot Wheels decal over here. You have the petrol thing over here. I don't know what, forgot man, what's it called. Tail light is again painted. You have the silencer details over here. This one has no side view mirror. Okay, headlights are again painted. Bridgestone decal over here. Base I think is again plastic. Yes, it is a plastic base, but it has the chassis details and everything. But yes, the wheels are again not rubber. You will be getting plastic wheels only, but that's fine. You are paying only $299 for this. Now this is the Camaro SS. This one looks really good. So you have the Hot Wheels decal over here. You have COPO decal over here. This is how the hood looks like from the top. Alright, you have the silencer over here. You have the Chevrolet logo here. You have the tail light logo. Headlights would be painted. Yes, it is painted. You have the Chevrolet logo here. This one, I think this is metal. Yes, this is a metal base. Nice. This is a metal base actually. This is not plastic, as you can see. It's painted in gray color, except unlike the BMW 2002 model. So yes, all right. Now this is the BMW 2002 model over here. Now this one, the color wise, it's really good. It's a fluorescent green. You have the Hot Wheels decal. You have the BMW decal over here. Over here you can see the BMW logo also, the year mentioned. In the front you have the BMW logo here, and in the base, let's get back to it. So I believe camera's done. My friend came, actually got busy. So over here, this is the Porsche. So Porsche 934 Turbo RSR. You have the spoiler details. You have the decal of 76. I believe I need to research out a little about why the number 76 is mentioned. Obviously you can drop it down on the comments. I'm not educated that much. Now these are the headlights. Let's zoom in. So it looks like it is a matte finish. Yes, it's a matte black finish. Now over here, these are the rims. The rims are good. Base is plastic, it's not metal. Apart from that, you have the Hotwheels decal over here. You have the Porsche logo over here. You have the headlight detailing, and the green stripes looks good actually. The tail details over here with the silencer details, as you can see. This is the chassis details, and the bottom part is mentioned like this. Now this is how it looks. This is one of the desired models out of this particular set, to be very honest. So that's it. Now let's move to the next one. So this is the Lancer Evo 2008 version. So you have race decal, Bilstein decal, Toyota tires decal with number 3 mentioned. I need to research why it's number 3. This is the Mitsubishi logo over here. This looks really good, man. I'm first time actually holding all these models, and I actually got a set because I was not having an option to get particular individual models. Let's see. So this looks okay. They have put an actual headlight in this model. As you can see, this is not painted. This is not painted. So you can see the Mitsubishi logo over here. This car really looks good. It reminds me of the Mitsubishi from GTA 5, to be honest. The Corolla, the fully armored, 100% armored Corolla from GTA 5. Alright, so this is how the chassis looks like. This is how the silencer details. The wheels are sadly not metal, rubber. These are plastic. From top it looks like this. Alright, so yeah, that's it guys. So in total these are the 8 models, and finally these 2 are the extras. Alright, I hope you like the video. It was like educational for you. I believe you got to know about this particular models, and just for being as an honest collector, don't buy from scalpers. Again, I'm repeating, the price is $299. These models should be available in market, because people are honestly not going for the sets, and obviously no one will go for a box also. So try to go to any particular shop, ask the shopkeeper for a box, and try to split it. So in total 10 sets will 10 models will come in one particular box. One set 8 pieces, and these 2 are the extras. Thanks for watching guys. Bye bye. Take care.